Hi, my name's Caleb. I go to New Vista High School. I'm a rising senior, and for my starter project, I chose the Mintyboost. And what the Mintyboost is an energy converter, and what it does is charges your device on the go. And it has an adapter for Apple chargers because Apple's marketing strategies are silly. Okay, so how this works is the energy from the batteries, which is 3 volts combined together, the 2 AA's, goes in first through the capacitors, which smoothen out the energy input, and then what it does is it will loop around the power converter. What it does is it does a switch so it loops back around and causing energy to build up in the inductor. And what that will eventually do is store up enough energy so that it can release 5 volts, which is the standard for most smartphones. And what's special about the Mintyboost 3.0 version is these blue resistors on the sides. And what they do is let the device recognize it as an Apple charger. So I'll do a little demo. And didn't like it. Okay, second attempt. Woohoo. For my second starter project, I did the voice changer, and that's this guy right here. I have the speaker over there so that the feedback doesn't loop and it gets all screechy on me, even though it happens anyways. And how it works is the microphone's right here, and then you talk into it, and it does this. So that's fun. There's 4 different settings on it: vibrato, upward pitch, downward pitch, and robot. And what those ones and how those work is when you push a button, it completes the circuit to send it to this integrated chip right here, and that changes a variable in the software in the chip, which affects the output in the audio. So I can hit vibrato and it does this, and then there's high, oh that's definitely low pitch, and then there's high pitch, and then there's robot. And there's some LEDs that show you if it's on, a bunch of other components. Right here is the microphone sensitivity, and when that goes up or down, that allows current. It's kind of like an adjustable resistor almost, and when you boost it up, the resistor gets higher, so the microphone is less effective, but it can be helpful in some instances. Same as the volume, it just controls how much current is let through. What I learned would be a couple of the components were new compared to my first. The Zener diode, and what that does is it only allows current to flow in one direction. However, if a certain voltage is met coming the other way, it can flow back. And I think that's really cool. That could be useful for a lot of projects in the future.